Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Crowned Crafts and Creations. My name is Tasha Michelle, and I was just messing with my heat press today because I thought it was broken. I actually had ordered a new switch for it because I had a feeling it was the switch because it didn't click when I switched it on. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it. It was an easy fix, so let's check it out. Okay, so if you hear my little ones, that's my babies in the background. So I had already done it, but I said, well, why not do a little video just in case someone needs some help, because I couldn't find this little easy fix on there, so on YouTube. So I said, let me put this on there just in case someone needs it. So I unscrewed the back. As you can see, I forgot to unplug it, so I went ahead and I took it out. So make sure you do that first before messing with it. But I took everything out, and that's when you see I'm going to push it back in. So it was in that way, right? And it didn't want to click on, like I wasn't hearing the click. So I went ahead and what I did was I pushed that little piece out. You see it's a little thing there. You just press it down and it'll push out. So I pushed it out. Just got to wiggle it a little bit. I pushed it out, right? So once I pushed it out, I was able to go back and click it, and it clicked correctly. I don't know if it's just a malfunction with it, or I don't know what's really going on with it, but it actually started to click pretty fine. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna leave it like that, because that's like my second time having to do it that way. So I thought the first time I fixed it, that was it, but it's still doing that. So you know what, I'm gonna just leave it out and just go from there, guys. So yeah, just try it that way. If that way don't work, I actually brought another switch, and then there is a YouTube video someone put on there to show you exactly how to change the switch. So you want to try everything before just going out and buying a new heat press, because listen, I love to see my coins. I save my coins, but if I do need to buy something for my business, then I do buy it. I just go ahead on and buy it, but I will exhaust all options before just purchasing something. So yeah, if this works for you, just save you some money. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Bye. Have a good day.